Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today, I will teach you inside border function. This tool is used to make holograph in pattern. There are two ways to pick up the graph. 1. Pick inside border on design line. First, right-click on the select pattern. You can see its original design line will change color. You can click on the inside border line or box select the inside border and right-click to finish. 2. Pick inside border on pattern. You can click on or box select the auxiliary lines in the pattern. And right-click to finish. Thank you for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.